Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we'll be assembling the M8 Greyhound. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. Alright, so the first step of assembling the M8 Greyhound is to take this piece here. Actually, let's do this piece. Be quite careful with this. Alright, and then there we go. All right, then take this sprue, cut it like that, and then carefully take this part and cut away at the under this gun here. Carefully cut away until the whole piece just breaks away. All right. And then, of course, if you wish, you can take your sanding supplies and sand underneath that gun. Alright, so that piece is done. Now, let's take the sprue cutters and cut away at the tires. Alright, there you go. And then we'll cut away at these as well. Alright, we're not done with the support removal quite yet. All these pieces are good. It's just now this big piece. Take your cutters and cut like that and like that. Okay, and then take this and just cut away at this support plastic under this wheel well. Just cut away. Sometimes a good motion for this is to go cut and twist, or just figure out how to get all this out. So far, the best method I've found is these cutters. Wire cutters, sprue cutters, hobby cutters. And these hobby cutters, sprue cutters, are available at miniaturetanks.com as well. So we got one side, let's do the other side now. Just cutting away like this. Okay, just be cutting away one step at a time. This process is, you just gotta be patient. Takes a little bit. All right, so that is done. Now, just gonna get some, maybe sand that up a bit, or around the edges at least. All right, so the cutting away process of this kit is over. Now let's do the gluing together process. Take your modeling glue, and for this process, I'm going to take this piece, and we're just going to put some glue all along there, and then take the piece and go like this. Make sure that you're getting it all perfectly lined up. You can reference this back part. You can reference this front part and this middle part to just reference, making sure that you're getting it all lined up really well. And there you have it. So you see I put a little glue there. I guess that's not needed. Bear in mind this turret area. Okay, and so the next step is let's go ahead and actually glue on the wheels, the tires. They're quite easy, so I'm going to put glue on all at once. You will see why I'm doing that. So there is this tires that are flat and then have this little angle. So those tires go like that. And then this tire goes like that. Just make sure it's going in the middle. The axle's getting glued into the middle. Okay, there you have it. Now let's do the other side. Now, let's take this one, like that. Of course, it's a good idea to reference the other side as well. Make sure that they're getting lined up well. And then put that one like this, and that one like that. And then place them all on the table firmly. And there is our main part of our vehicle. So continuing the process with the M8 Greyhound, let's go ahead and take some glue and put it and glue the turret together. So essentially, put some glue around the edges there, and then take your cylinder piece and try to make sure that it gets just right in the middle there. That looks pretty good. And then the next step is go ahead and take some glue there, and glue there. And then take this piece here. Might even do this tweezer here. Maybe that'll help. Let's see. Put this piece like that. All right, so once that piece is there, let's go and do the next step. We're going to be gluing on these pieces like that. So take a little bit of glue, dab it on there. And take this piece, put it like that. So that's pretty much done. And then put it for the other side. Very good. All right. Then take your turret, put it there. It can traverse like this. And that is the M8 Greyhound from Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you for watching.